Hi! In front of me is OPPO F23 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Google Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Following that, tap on your current Google account and select the preferred one by clicking on it. In my case, this one. Now tap on Autofill. Select Autofill with Google and click on Passwords. Over here, click on one of your websites or apps that you wish to edit. I will go with Facebook. Enter your current login method and tap on Edit Next Delete. Then make your changes. Lastly, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!